Good day, everyone. Learn how to fix or troubleshoot if Photos app is not working or not responding in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So we are going to do very simple steps and you will be able to fix it. Once you fix it, please hit the like and subscribe and do leave a comment. So do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings and we will go to apps and then we will click on installed apps. And here we will search for Photos. You will find Photos Microsoft Corporation. Click on the three dots next to it. Go to Advanced option. Scroll down and from here click on Repair. Alright, it should not take much time to repair and see if that works for you. If that doesn't, then reset. And I'll click on Reset. If this app still isn't working right, reset it. See if that works for you. And you can also restart and see if that works. If doesn't, then you can simply uninstall it from here and then go to Microsoft Store and search Photos and hit enter. And you will find Microsoft Photos, 52,000 ratings, 4.2. And once you have uninstalled, you will find an option called Get instead of Open, and you can install it. Alright, do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial is helpful or not. If yes, please hit the like and subscribe. And I'll give you one more bonus tip if there could be a corruption in your Windows and this is why your Photos app is not working. So to repair the computer, you can scan with one command. Click on the search icon, type CMD, then run as administrator. Say yes and type sfc space / scan now. I'll maximize it. sfc space / scan now, and please make sure it should say administrator command prompt at the top. Now hit enter. This will begin the system scan and start fixing if there is any corruption in the computer. Once this is done, restart the computer and it should not take more than 2 to 5 minutes. And for most of us, this will fix the problem. And do let me know. I'll be glad if you do so. If you still have issues, do let me know. I'll try my best to fix your problem. All right. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.